please respond at the area 85536 Scott Line between Belgrave Road and Belfast Road for a Baler on fire approaching a 200-acre wheat field. Again, that's 85536 Scott Line between Belgrave Road and Belfast Road for a Baler on fire. Time of first page, 18:16:15. Attention, North Huron, Wingham Fire. North Huron, Wingham Fire. Please respond at the area 85536 Scott Line between Belgrave Road and Belfast Road for a Baler on fire approaching a 200-acre wheat field. That's the area 85536 Scott Line between Belgrave Road and Belfast Road for a Baler on fire. Time of second page is 18:17:13. Wingham Fire, please respond.
Car 3 acknowledges the page out for Wingham Station, and I want Tank 9 and Rescue 7 to respond from Blythe Station as well. No car responding personal vehicle. Fire dispatch, North Huron, Engine 1. You can show Engine 1 responding to 85536 Scott Line, Delta +5 Delta. Fire dispatch, North Huron, Tank 4. Tank 4 responding, Charlie Bravo Delta. Fire dispatch, you can show Tank 9 responding, Echo +4. Car 3, Wingham Station. Go ahead, Wingham Station, Car 3. Do you want ladder 2 to roll? Negative. How many manpower is in Wingham Station? 3. Roll the squad. It's already gone. Just hang tight then. Message received, hang tight. Go ahead, fire dispatch, Engine 1. Roger that, dispatch, thank you. Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 arriving scene. Dispatch, we got a Baler and a Bale on fire. Right now it's currently located on the roadside. Go ahead, Golf, car 3. Yeah, I just got to the hall. Do you want tank 8? Negative at this time. Just stand by. Give us a few minutes. Copy that. I'll stand by. Fire dispatch, you can show car 4, engine 1, tank 4, all on scene. Delta B command will be mobile. Fire dispatch, North Huron command. You can show agent applied. Command car 3. Go ahead, car 3, command. Can you have somebody bring up some water bottles for these gentlemen who've been putting it out? Roger that. Fire dispatch, you can show tank 9 arriving scene. Fire dispatch, same goes for rescue 7, unit 10. Show us arriving scene. Tank 9, call Bravo. Bale on the road. If you can send a couple firefighters down with a pike pole or two so we can pull this bale apart. Fire dispatch, North Huron command. You can show fire under control. Car 3 Blythe Station. We're going to be out here shortly, so you can stand down. Command Car 3. Command, I got the farm operator over here with me if you want to get your stuff for him. Go ahead, dispatch North Huron command. EMS from standby and thank you for their time. Fire dispatch, you can show tank 9 clear and returning to Blythe Station. Go ahead, Bravo command. Bravo. Fire dispatch, you can show rescue 7 unit 10 clear the scene, returning to Blythe Station. Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 clearing scene. Fire dispatch, North Huron command. You mark a lost stop. Fire dispatch, North Huron command. You can show the scene has been turned back over to the property owner. All units be returning to Wingham Station. Command is terminated.